Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Wally Tech, and I apologize. I haven't made a video in a while, but today I got a 2009. It's a BMW ml350 4matic Mercedes. As you can see there. Now the problem we're having today is the guy heard a noise, like a squeaky noise in his engine area, and he was like, he fixes the belt. And when I took everything apart, well, the pulley that belongs here is gone. The belt is actually behind this. This used to be a groove pulley, and now it's not there. And some of the belt already shattered. I don't know if you can see this right here. This is the belt's already shattering. A lot of times, this pulley on this engine, it's a V6. This pulley right here will go. This is the #1 pulley that always breaks. And then the second one would be the one down here by the tensioner pulley. But this one will last more than the other one. But this one's the main cause why on these Mercedes, this belt snaps and then it shreds and stuff like that. How he's driving like this, I have no idea how he made it this far, to be honest with you. So yeah, so pretty much is shredding it there. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna change this pulley and we're gonna change the belt. So I'm gonna get started and we're gonna go from here. All right, so the first thing we're gonna have to do is we're going to release the belt off the tensioner. The tensioner bolt is right under here where my finger is. I'm touching it. Now that is a 17mm socket, so we're gonna need a long 17mm socket. You could use an extension, and I would suggest to use a long 3/8 ratchet if you have one. If not, just you're gonna have to use brute force. Now for the pulley over here, this is like I guess an inverted Torx, you would say. So it's this is the socket. It looks like that. It's a E12 inverted Torx. So that's to release that. So first things first, we're going to release the tension off the pulley with the 17mm, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so now we're gonna rotate all the way to the left. This will give me access to take the belt off, or whatever's left of it. All right, now we have the belt off, and now we continue to take the belt off correctly. As you see, not a pain, but all right. All right, next is this E12 inverted Torx where the pulley is. Same deal. This one I will use an extension. So, and then you pull to the left. All right, so we finally put on the pulley right here. There's a new pulley in there. Hopefully it's not going to do any damage. All right. The E12 bolt was taken out. We put the new pulley in, and well, the crazy part is when these there's a bearing inside the pulleys, and basically what happened was the bearing seized, and then it cracked and melted all this plastic off to the bare bearing. This is the old one. This is just the bearing. That's how much it did when it seized. And the inside, this, like, I'm supposed to be able to spin this with my finger around this, but it doesn't spin because it's seized. So we put a new pulley in there, and now we're gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna put the belt back on, and we're gonna see how it runs. But we gotta clean out. Sometimes the belt melts on the pulley, on the other pulleys, so you're gonna have to like put some brake clean on it and try to pick out whatever's in there, because if not, the new belt is not gonna be seated well on it. Just aware of that. All right, so we're gonna put everything back together, put the belt on, and we're gonna see how it runs. All right, so we officially put the belt back on for the sequence, how it was before. Everything, and I cleaned out the pulleys from the old residue, basically, let me see if I have some here. So this is a piece of the old belt. Sometimes it gets stuck on the grooves there and melts in. So you're gonna have to scrape it off because you don't want the new belt with the grooves of that, and it's not gonna hold it in tight. So yeah, you wanna take all that out. And then like I said, everything was done. So now we're gonna start the car. We're gonna see how it rolls. All right, so as you can see, now we got everything back running good. The belt's on, pulley's good, everything's cleaned up, and we're back on the road again. All right, so now what we're gonna do is put everything back together, put the covers, and we're all set. All right, if you like this video, if it helped you out, just hit the like and just hit the subscribe button. I'll be coming out with more videos. Sorry for the delays, but this is Wally Tech Performance, and always here to help.